Before we start, let me ask you something. Permanent tattoos are a lot like your internet browsing history. You really don't want to regret them later. So always think twice before getting inked, because a tattoo is for life, not just for the weekend. Today's client chose something very special, a 5-inch MOM tattoo on the neck using black and red. No matter how trendy tattoos become, one word never goes out of style: MOM. Fashion changes, hairstyles change, mobile phones change, but a mother's love never changes. Now, let's get into today's tutorial. The most important skill while tattooing the neck is stretching the skin correctly. If the skin is not stretched properly, your lines may become shaky, uneven, or the needle depth can change unexpectedly. Always create a firm, even stretch using your supporting hand before every line. Don't rush. A few extra seconds spent stretching the skin can save you from a permanent mistake. Now here's the part where beginners should pay extra attention. This tattoo is placed below the jawline and close to the throat. This area is one of the trickiest places to tattoo because the skin is softer, constantly moving, and the client naturally swallows, talks, or breathes during the process. Every small movement matters. If you're tattooing directly over the throat area, be extremely careful. Never force the needle into the skin. Maintain light, controlled pressure, and keep communicating with your client. Ask them to stay relaxed and avoid sudden movements. If they need a break, give them one. A comfortable client helps create a better tattoo. For this tattoo, I used a 5-round shader long needle for both the outline and the shading. The black ink is dynamic black, which gives excellent solid saturation. For the red highlights, I'm introducing Ozone Red. Ozone is well known for manufacturing reliable wireless tattoo machines and power supplies. And now, they also offer quality tattoo inks. The red gives this MOM tattoo a beautiful, vibrant finish. My machine setup is simple. The needle stroke is 4 millimeters, and I keep the machine running between 7 and 8 volts. Remember, these settings work well for me, but your hand speed, machine, and experience also matter. Don't copy settings blindly. Understand why you're using them. One more important reminder for beginners: avoid attempting throat tattoos until you're confident with your line work and needle control. Practice on synthetic skin, then move to easier body parts before taking on challenging placements like the neck. Every professional tattoo artist started as a beginner. The difference is that they kept practicing consistently. Mistakes are part of learning, but risky placements demand extra patience and respect. Improve one tattoo at a time, one line at a time, and your confidence will naturally grow. If you enjoy learning tattoo techniques like this, keep watching my tutorial videos. If you're interested in professional tattoo training, you can join my online or offline classes. Just send me a DM or contact me at 974-053-3143 or 906-688-5007. And if this video helped you learn something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tattoo 18 for daily tattoo videos, beginner tutorials, professional tips, and the latest tattoo techniques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tattoo tutorial.